Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2022 Subaru Outback Wilderness Edition. This one's finished in ice silver metallic over gray. Total price of $39,965. Subaru's killing it with their pricing. Could have sworn this was probably $45, but you know what? I'll take it. 2.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder boxer motor, lineartronic high torque CVT, 8-speed manual mode. This really is the off-road special. They didn't have to make it, but I'm so glad they did. This is awesome. I absolutely adore this thing. You got, looks like tow hook mounting points, and here are winch points. What's nice is the bumper is actually a plastic material right here, so you don't have to worry about getting, paint scratches and stuff like that. All nice body cladding here. This isn't painted either, which is smart because paint would get all scratched from tree branches. And then the front bumper as well, just all high quality plastic body cladding. Do love those fog lamps as well. Let's see if I can go ahead and turn the power on so I can engage those. See how bright they are. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Those are awesome. Those will help you down a dark path. Awesome. All right. Got Subaru Wilderness on the headrest. Nice golden, I would say gold accents. Nice sunroof. Sliding visors. Yes. Subaru Wilderness tag. This is really cool. This also has 9.5 inches of ground clearance. I mean, this whole thing is awesome. They took what everybody does for aftermarket mods and they made it from the factory. This is the perfect example of Subaru listening to the customers. And thank you, Subaru, for giving us the turbo. If this had the normal 2.5, I would have been like, yeah, okay, that's cool. But I want to see a turbo version. This one has the turbo already. Awesome. It's the way it should be. Up over this big bump. Oh, built to take it. Obviously, this isn't a Raptor. You can't go jumping this thing all day long and expect it to come out unscathed. Heck, even Raptors can't take jumps. Really aggressive jumps they can't take. But let's say you live up the summit of a mountain in the winter, road doesn't get paved. Let's say you really live off the beaten path, or you like to go off-roading, like to explore. This will go a lot further than the normal Outback. Auto start stop. I obviously shut that off first thing. I'm not a big fan of it, but you know what? It's perfect for saving fuel. Wow, this thing flies. If they weren't doing construction, that's all a dirt lot. I would have, there's a pretty steep hill. I would have taken this off-roading through there, but it's a brand new car. I don't really want to, sit there and get it all dirty and all that fun stuff. But if I ever get the chance to off-road one of these, I'm definitely curious to see how it does. This thing is exactly... I mean, if I lived up north near Mount Washington and all there, where, there's not really a lot of... paved roads. And in the winters, it can get a little sketchy. This thing will get you through it. Oh, I can't complain. When they first announced this, I thought it was a gimmick. Off-roading version of the Outback. Now that I've seen it in person and see that it's actually pretty beefed up, really aggressive off-road tires on it, protective body cladding, I see that, okay, wow, they actually sat there and thought about it. Thought about what people would want, thought about what it needs, and said, all right, let's build it. It's the way it should be. It's awesome. Oh, the 2.4, man. Any Subaru XT, oh, they are rocket ships. And some people are gonna sit there, oh, it has a CVT. No, it's actually a pretty good CVT. It's not, CVT technology has really advanced in the past few years. This transmission makes it feel a lot faster because it's going to keep it in its power band for a lot longer than a normal torque converter automatic would do. So I'm perfectly happy with it. I wonder how the CVT would do in rock crawling. I have a feeling Subaru obviously tested it, but you know what? Only time will tell. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.